Welcome to the channel. We always talk about mass adoption in crypto, but how often can you actually spend your portfolio? Now, I found a platform that bridges the gap, giving you premium card to spend your games while offering a professional trading suite with a native token that rewards you for doing it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's jump into the video. All right, so I know everybody's talking about mass adoption in crypto, everything like that. But here's the thing. How can you actually figure out what's going on with your portfolio, spend it, do anything? I found actually a platform that bridges that gap. And I'm actually going to show you how you can get started with it and the premium card to spend your gains, doing all that, and even jumping into professional trading. So we have a lot of amazing things to get into. We're going to jump into it, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. Okay, so this is the real world bridge. What is it called? It is called CZR. And this is not just a project, but this is a debit card. It's a game changer. Now, why is this a game changer? Because a lot of people say, hey, I have crypto funds, I can't use it. Then they'll just go about their day, or they'll just watch it in their portfolio and say it goes up and down on my cold wallet or in an exchange. Here, this allows you to spend your crypto anywhere you want, just like Visa, right? And it seamlessly connects you with digital assets to the real world. So we finally bridged the gap from crypto to the real world. Not just RWA, but actually getting stuff that you need, groceries, getting, household items, paying off stuff. And not only that, but it has premium designs with loans, all that type of stuff, wealth management, all of the traditional financial stuff or TradFi. Your crypto isn't stuck on a screen anymore. It's not theoretical. It's not just a commodity. Literally, as it says, you can trade anywhere, anytime, and do all that. But I know you're going to ask a good question. How do you power this guy up? How do you get it to work? How do you get the card to actually work? You need a robust engine, and that's where the exchange comes in. If you're not familiar with exchanges, that's where you can buy and sell crypto. That's where you can trade, do all that type of stuff. And that's how you jump in. It offers global transactions, low fees, instant settlements. And whether you're trading, whether you're spending, whether you're buying, whatever you're doing, low fees mean you keep more of your money. So you can be a trader, you can do all of that stuff. And not only that, this is much cleaner. This is much faster. As you can see, this is loading quite fast. It's very easy to use. I've been looking for an exchange that is simple. I don't like things that are super complicated, and I like a clean, good-looking design. This is designed for clarity. This is designed to look good. And you can also find things like rewards hubs here where you can invite your friends. As you can see, it loads very, very fast. Also, this upgrade reinforces the platform security. We know this is safe. And there's even more stuff here, like a launch pad if you want to get your own tokens going. Staking, if you want to go ahead and stake. And also, I know you guys are going to ask, how can I jump into this and let other people know? Well, there's a referral program. You have the ability to get USDT simply by popping open this link and sharing it with your downline, upline friends. And if you have any problems, they have 24/7 support. So you can actually get help right here, which is pretty cool. Because chances are you're going to have questions, you're going to have comments. You can come to the exchange. Hey there, got a question. They also have support right here. You can get help. You can toggle it from, light to dark in case you need that for a vision, which is pretty important. And you can also toggle the language right here. I like that. So very, very cool stuff. On top of that, we also have futures. So you can do all of your trading here. If you do spot, if you do different types of margin, if you do futures grid, it's all in one place. So there's no guessing, there's no speculating. Everything's here. It loads super, super fast, and you're good to go. And if you're new to trading, they actually have get started in 3 simple steps. Account funds, and then you can start trading and get going. That's why this synergy is so powerful. Holding CZR gives you governance, rights, staking, rewards, fees, discounts, trading abilities, everything. And with the card and the UI that I talked about in the beginning, you can launch the tokens, and it's a centerpiece of the ecosystem for early adopters via airdrops. What does the back office look like, though? So to get started and get funded, you can deposit or you can do express. We can see my back office here. We can see my futures, all that type of stuff. We can see the information here. Even has understand the risks. There's always risks with every trading, but that means, hey, you can learn more about it, margins and asset overview. So this is pretty simple. Here you can go ahead and deposit, withdraw, transfer record, but then it shows you exactly how to deposit here. Select the currency, get the deposit address, initiate it, check progress. So currency, boom, 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 pick that, and then you're good to go for deposit. You also have withdrawal, transfer, and you can also transfer the record. So guys, we went over a lot of features in a short amount of time. You can see here you can do quite a lot, and I just scratched the surface. So don't just trade your crypto. Live on it. Actually use it for real world purposes. Click on the link below to sign up for the new CZR dashboard, get positioned for the token, get positioned for the airdrop, and be the first in line for that card. Let's go. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.